Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the world of camera tech and why the global shutter on a RED camera is a game changer for filmmakers. If you're into cinematic shooting, this one's for you. Let's start by understanding what a global shutter is. Unlike traditional rolling shutters, which capture an image by scanning it from top to bottom, a global shutter captures the entire frame in one go. This means it captures every pixel simultaneously. It's like snapping a photo of your entire scene in one instant. The results? No more jello effect or skewed images when you pan quickly or film fast-moving subjects. Imagine this, you're shooting a scene with a guitar string vibrating rapidly. With a rolling shutter, you might see the string bending or wobbling, creating an unnatural look. But with a global shutter, each frame is clean and true to reality. No weird distortions. Now let's talk about RED cameras specifically. These cameras are well known for their stunning image quality and high resolution. By integrating global shutter technology, RED cameras eliminate motion artifacts. This allows filmmakers to capture dynamic, fast-paced scenes with incredible accuracy, perfect for action-packed shots or scenes where precision is key. But why is this technology a big deal for filmmakers? Well, it means you can push creative boundaries without worrying about the technical limitations of your equipment. You get to focus on storytelling, capturing the moment as it truly is. Plus, the image quality remains consistent, even in challenging lighting conditions. The global shutter isn't just a technical improvement, it's a creative tool. For filmmakers who want to deliver seamless, professional-looking footage, it's a must-have. Imagine shooting a car chase or a sports event without worrying about image distortion. That's the power of a global shutter. In a world where every millisecond counts, having the right technology can make all the difference. So, if you're looking to elevate your filmmaking game, consider the impact of a global shutter on your work. It's a small change with massive benefits. And there you have it. The global shutter is not just about capturing images, it's about capturing moments in their true essence. Keep exploring, keep filming, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.